Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install MSSQL Server 2019 on Ubuntu 18.04. This is my server information. Hello, my server is Ubuntu 18.04 and this is my IP address. Must be your server is update and upgrade done. apt auto remove some package not properly upgrade, so must be run apt auto remove if this is show. Yes, successfully done. Yes, add key server, add is status okay, and now add a repository. Now successfully add repository, then apt update command, then install main package, apt install MSSQL Server. This package 247 MB. It will take download up to 10 or 12 minutes. Installation done. Now run this setup command for installation specific version, free or paid. Now 1, 2 and 3 is free version and another version is paid version. So now I want to install developer version. Accept license, yes, and password must be a strong password. Yes, setup has completed successfully. SQL Server is now starting. Okay, now show is SQL Server status. Then install SQL CMD package and create test DB. Yes, service is status. And then add apt repo and then run apt update command. And now install MSSQL tools using this command. Do you accept the license term? Yes. Do you accept the license term? Must be yes. Installation done. And add your profile list. Add path into your best profile. Now log in into SQL CMD. Yes, create test DB. and go. Use test db. Create inventory, id, name and quantity. Insert value and then go. Now check, select inventory where, then go. This is id 2, name orange and quantity 154. This is inserted value. Please exit from MSSQL CMD terminal. Now add this MSSQL server into SQL Server authentication, login details, SA and SA password. Now inserted my SQL Management Studio. This is database test db. This is table, expand table. This is inventory. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others. And don't forget, press the bell icon, get the first notification.